A very good evening. This is Binod from BFW, and I'll be taking you through our Omega series, which we are presenting to you in a special booth. So these are our high-speed machining centers. So we have it in 4 variants: Omega 3050, 3070, 4050, and 4070. So the main advantage of this machine is with respect to the speed of the machine, and it's basically used for a high volume production. The reason we say it is used for high volume production is because of the rapids, and insanely high rapids in X and Y axis with 60 meter per minute and Z axis 48 meter per minute. And in the BBT 30 variants, we have standard 8000 RPM, and we can optionally give it up to 24,000 RPM. And as far as the tool change time goes, we have 1.4 seconds tool change time and a 1.7 second chip to chip time, which is making your machine a very productive machine. And then talking about the new launch, it's Omega i 3050. So we have launched the Omega i 3050. So the difference over here is with respect to the structure. So we have used the base and the column with pockets, and these pockets are filled with composite material to basically increase the dampening facility. Thank you.